So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bigger theme file into a smaller file. So as you can see in our code, so that we use header, we use all the code in header, footer, in all the files. As you can see that we the code is reusable for so many times for all files. So let's see how we can make it smaller. So if we make the header in header.php, then if we make the footer side in footer.php, so then that code is gonna be the more readable than this. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, for that we need to make two file, so which is first of all header.php. Another file is footer.php. Okay, so let's come into the index.php. So as you can see, this is common for all file, as you can see. So this is we are going to cut this from index.php. Okay, then paste it into header.php. Okay, so then come into index.php again. Then as you can see, the footer section is here, so we are going to cut this as well. So sorry, this. Okay, then paste it into footer.php. Okay, so we create two files, header.php, then footer.php. Okay, now we need to include this file from index.php. So for that we need to do here, take a php function here. Okay, if you want to include the header, you need to write the function, built-in function, which is called get header. Okay, so at the same time, if you want to include the footer file, for that you need to take a php function, and then include inside this you need to write get footer. Okay, so we need to do this in a single.php as well. So as you can see here, we need to write the get header function. So I'm going to copy this, and paste this. Okay, then at the same time we need to include the footer function as well in single.php. Okay, firstly we need to cut the footer part. This is our footer part, and we need to include this. Okay, so let's see how it's showing on site. So this is our site. As you can see, our header is working fine. As you can see, our footer is working fine. Now go to the single page view, post page view. Okay, as you can see, our header is working fine. Okay, coming to the footer is also working fine. So this is perfectly working. Okay, as you can see, this option is also the same for every page for our website. So we need to make it functional as well. So for that we need to, as you can see, the index file. As you can see, this is the file here. This is also common in our WordPress website. So we need to make it also functional. So for that we need to create a file here. This is actually called hero section. So we're going to create a file called hero.php. Okay, then we come into index.php file. Okay, then cut this. Okay, cut this and then paste into hero.php. Okay, then as you can see, we have the function for header is get header. For footer we have get footer function. For we don't have any function for this kind of a section, hero.php, otherwise whatever.php. So for that we need to do something different, which is, okay, firstly we need to take a php function inside the function we need to write get template part. Inside that you need to write the specific partner which we want to show, which is our file is hero.php. okay, so we need to write in the single.php as well. So single.php, as you can see, so this is our hero section in index.php single.php. okay, so paste this. okay, so this is working nice. So now I can to reload this. okay, this is our single page view. okay, this is not showing. What is the problem? okay, we made a mistake here. So what is the mistake? oh sorry, we don't need to specify the php, so only the hero, which is hero. So go to index.php, then cut this off. okay, then reload this. okay, now this is working nicely. Go to home. yeah, this is working fine. okay, now we are going to make this title, site title, into clickable. So if you click on this, it will load into your home page. So for that we need to go to hero.php. So this is it. So we need to make into the anchor tag. So anchor tag inside this, need to page. So for that we have an amazing php function. So for that you need to echo the site URL. Site. okay, so we're done. Now reload this. As you can see, this is now clickable. okay, if you don't see the difference, so first you need to go to the, now click this. yeah, we're in home page. As you can see, now this is clickable. So as you can see, this is working nicely. So if you see that we used an anchor tag in hero.php, but it is working on the whole WordPress site. So we don't have so many pages in our website, which we have only 2 pages right now, which is called index.php and single.php. but this is working on both pages. From we used only one place, but it is working on both pages. So it is now this our code is more clean and organizable, and also our code is so readable, so anyone can understand our code. So I hope you will work WordPress website by this formula. I hope this will make your life easier as a WordPress developer. So thank you. See you in the next video.